Hello everyone, my name is Jiman Jolure, Senior Software Faculty of CC Head Office. Today I will discuss a very interesting topic, Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a software application for creating drawings, illustrations and artwork using a Windows or Mac operating system computer. Adobe Illustrator is used to create a variety of digital and printed images including cartoons, charts, diagrams, graphs, logos and illustrations. Illustrator allows a user to import a photograph and use it as a guide to trace an object in the photograph. These can be used to recolor or create a sketch-like appearance of a photograph. This property of vector graphics is different when compared to imaging software such as Photoshop, which uses pixel grids to render images. When this type of image is scaled up sufficiently, the individual pixel comprising a bitmap become visible. Illustrator CC is the version of Illustrator that's available through Creative Cloud, which is Adobe's cloud-based subscription service. Illustrator's ability to create and modify vector images means that must also save files in vector graphics format. Some of these formats include SVG, PDF, EPS, WMF and VML. Other file formats illustrators can save or export, such like AutoCAD, BMF, Flash, JPEG, GIF, PNG, text format, etc. Illustrators can also import files in these formats like AutoCAD, BMF, CorelDRAW, Freehand, GIF, JPEG, Microsoft Word, Photoshop, PNG, and text, etc. So next start our practical class. So I am going to be teaching you the basics of Adobe Illustrator. I am going to go through this pretty fast scene. May have to pause the video, but I am going to get through everything as quickly as possible. So once you have Illustrator open, you can press Ctrl to create a new document. Otherwise, you can press Ctrl S to save a document, Ctrl Shift S to save as, or Ctrl O to open a new document. Once you are in a new document, you can also hold spacebar and click to drag to pan around. You can also press Ctrl minus to zoom out and Ctrl plus to zoom back in. One of the most common tools in Illustrator is your layers. So you have to all the tools on your right hand side, which is sort of most frequently used tools and functions. You can click on the two little sequence that will open your layers panel. You can hide and show layers. You can lock and unlock layers just like any other programs, so as the top will show this object on the top other objects, vice versa. One of the best common tools in Illustrator is rectangle tool. You can press M in your keyboard to bring it up, or you can check and hold on the rectangle will bring up all the subtools. So I can fill and stroke and all the other settings about this rectangle. If I want to move around or transform, I can just press V on the keyboard to go to the selection tool. From here I can grab the corners of it. I can scale it. I can do whatever I want if I want to scale it uniformly. I can hold shift and click and drag the corner and it will keep the same size. Otherwise I can hold alt and then I will scale it sort of from two axes at the same time. It will basically mirror whatever I am doing. Using this curvature tool, I can change the shape of the rectangle. Click here, select like that. If you click double click, then it go to the straight line.
Using text you can write anything like that. Photoshop. You can increase the size of the font from here. You can also change the font color from here like that. Using pen tool you can draw a shape like that. So to send a picture or to draw a picture using this curvature tool, you can draw any type of image and you can change the shape of the part. So to learn the Adobe Illustrator, these are the basic things you should know. The curvature tool is one of the important tool in Adobe Illustrator. So to know the basic and to draw something for the first time, you just use selection tool, direct selection tool, curvature tool or pen tool. So after that we can go. These are the tools: rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star tool. So you can directly draw a star here. So now I will show you different type of image, how we can use the Adobe Illustrator tools and we can draw the different images using Adobe Illustrator. Now I will show you, these are the different types of pictures you can draw using Adobe Illustrator. So see, these are the different types of pictures. So you can try at home. Just delete it. Just I show you a simple picture. Just select color. Like that. So try at home, download the software, and if you have any doubts just comment in the section. So for the next class for today, thank you so much.